Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Your exams will comes nearer to nearer और सभी को इसकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं कि टेंशन भी होती है, कन्फ्यूजन भी होता है। तो मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट सेलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फॉर सीबीएसई बोर्ड। सो यू कैन गेट गुड मार्क्स फॉर लेस स्टडी। ये क्वेश्चंस अगर हम पूरी तरह से प्रिपरेशन नहीं हो पाती है तो हम कम टाइम में कैसे प्रिपेयर करें। तो चैप्टर वाइज कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चेक वेदर 6 raised to power n कैन एंड with 0 फॉर एनी नेचुरल नंबर्स। दिस इज फ्रॉम चैप्टर 1 रियल नंबर। एंड सेकेंड इज given that HCF of 306, 657 is equal to 9, find LCM of 306, 657. And third one, prove that root 3 is a rational number. ये क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है, चाहे इसमें नंबर्स न्यूमरल्स चेंज हो सकते हैं। रूट 3 है, रूट 5 हो सकता है, रूट 7 हो सकता है। And fourth is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. So there are three types questions which are coming from chapter 1, and second chapter is polynomials. So one questions there is find the zeros of the given figure. So in this figure there are only one zero because the curve is cuts on x-axis at one point, and there 1, 2, 3. In this figure, the curve cuts on x-axis at 3 points, so it have 3 zeros. And next question is find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स से डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर देते हैं, बट फर्स्ट वी अरेंज 6x square minus 7x minus 3, and after that factorize and find out the zeros. And second is t square minus 15, and third is find the quadratic polynomials with given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros. So a is equal to root 2 into 1 by 2, and b 0 comma root 5, and c minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. And next ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है ये एनसीईआरटी की बुक में नहीं मिलेगा, बट बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में पूछते हैं इसका क्वेश्चन। सो क्वेश्चन इज if p of x is equal to x square plus 5x minus 6, find the value. First है 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, and second is alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, and third is alpha cube beta square plus beta cube alpha square. So these are the questions from chapter 2 and chapter 3. Pair of linear equation of two variables. पहले हमें इसकी कंडीशंस क्या होती हैं। इफ़ द टू इक्वेशंस आर a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इज इक्वल टू 0, a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2 इज इक्वल टू 0। इफ कंडीशन इज a1 अपॉन a2 नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2, दिस इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन एंड यूनिक सोल्यूशन, एक ही सोल्यूशन होगा और कंसिस्टेंट होंगी। सेकेंड इज a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. These are parallel lines and they have no solutions and inconsistent. And a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. These are coincident and many solutions or infinitely many solutions, and these are consistent. And the most important question is half of the perimeter of a rectangle garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden and solve the equations. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. हमें सॉल्व करना है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड is not in my syllabus, so there are only substitution and elimination methods. Next question है, the larger of the two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree, find them. हमें एंगल फाइंड करना है कि एंगल की वैल्यू कितनी होगी. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम चैप्टर 3. A fraction becomes 9/11 if 2 is added to the both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both, it becomes 5/6. Find the fraction. And next question, 5 years hence, the age of the Jacobs will be three times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times of his son. What is their present age? And next important question is, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? And next, the sum of the digits of the two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So, these are the questions from chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. These are most important questions. Means these questions comes in your exams. So अगर हम इस तरह से स्टडी करेंगे तो हमें कम स्टडी में हर चैप्टर में 5 to 6 to 7 मैक्सिमम 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. तो ऐसे हम 12 चैप्टर अगर 10 क्वेश्चंस एवरी एंड ईच चैप्टर करेंगे तो देर आर ओनली 120 क्वेश्चंस and you will get good marks, and their solution will start. So first question is, prove that question 1 from these important questions, check whether 6 raised to power n can end with 0. So these are the solutions. Question 1. 6 raised to power n can end with 0. So solution is B have six raised to power n, their factor is 2 into 3 raised to power n, and therefore prime factorization, the prime factorization of 6 raised to power n does not contain 5 as a factor, so it cannot be end with 0. ये 2 मार्क्स में भी आता है क्वेश्चन और 1 मार्क्स MCQ भी आ जाता है. So this is the solution of question 1. And question 2, there is 2 numbers 306 and 657. Their SCF is 9 and LCM हमें फाइंड करना है. सो हमारा एक फॉर्मूला होता है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज इक्वल टू LCM इंटू SCF. हमें फाइंड करना है LCM. सो दिस इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर upon SCF, and product of two number, this is 306 into 657 and SCF is 9. So 9 3 जा 27, 3 बचेंगे 6 36, 9 4 जा 36. So LCM is 34 into 657. इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे तो 657 इंटू 34, 4 7 जा 28, 4 5 जा 20 and 22, 4 6 जा 24 और 2 26, 3 7 जा 21, 3 5 जा 15, 15 और 2 17, 3 6 जा 18, 18 और 1 19. So 8 3 7 और 6 13, 9 और 2 11 और 1 12 2. So LCM is 2 2 3 3 8. So this is the solution of question number 2. And question 3, prove that root 3 is irrational number. So let us assume on the contrary that solution is, let us assume on the contrary root 3 is a rational number, then there exist positive integers A and B. So root 3 is equal to A upon B, squaring both sides, So this is 3 is equal to a square upon b square. So 3b square is equal to a square, that is 3 is divisible by a square and 3 also divisible by a square. 3 is divisible by a square and 3 is divisible by a. Now let us assume a is equal to a is equal to 3c. स्क्वायर करेंगे दोनों तरफ, तो ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9c स्क्वायर. ए स्क्वायर की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो 3b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9c स्क्वायर. सो b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3c स्क्वायर. सो 3 is divisible by b square and 3 is divisible by b. So 3 is divisible by b. So this is equation 2, and from equation 1 and 2 equation 1 and 2 we obtain that three is a common factor of a and b. What this contradict? The fact that A and B have no common factor and we have no common factor other than 1, hence the assumption is wrong. Hence root 3 is a irrational number. So this is the solution of question number 3. And next question, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. So say let us assume on the contrary that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational then their co-prime A and B are co-prime. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A upon B, and 2 root 5 is equal to A upon B minus 3. So 2 root 5 is equal to A minus 3B upon B, and root 5 is equal to A minus 3B upon 2B. So A comma B are integers A minus 3B upon 2B is irrational. This contradicts root 5 is irrational, so our assumption is incorrect. Hence 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. अगर हम किसी भी इरेशनल नंबर में कुछ भी ऐड करेंगे या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, नंबर इज ऑलवेज इरेशनल. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन 4th from chapter 1, and next solution chapter 2 and 3 हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. ये इसमें केवल चैप्टर 1 का सलूशन है, और ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. अगर हम सिर्फ इन्हीं को कर लेते हैं तो हमें कम मेहनत में अच्छे मार्क्स आ सकते हैं. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.